Here's how to replace the screen on an HP 15t-n200 laptop. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take off the screen cover here. So you're going to start from the inner edge right here and work your way around until you pull the whole plastic cover off. Just careful not to break any of the plastic tabs when you're doing this. So once you get this part off, there's two screws at the bottom here. So right underneath these plastic covers, there's a cover right here, there's a cover right here. So all I've done is just use a kitchen knife just to pry these plastic pieces off. So once I have your plastic pieces off, you'll see there's two screws now exposed down here in these two spots. So just gonna take a screwdriver and take those out. Okay, now that we have those two screws out, we can continue taking off the rest of the plastic screen cover. And there may be a line of tape along this bottom piece right here that you have to pull off. You can just continue pulling it from the bottom part right here and it should just peel off easily. Okay, so now we have this plastic cover off and you can set it aside for now. And now our screen is exposed, and the screws that we're interested in are these four right here. So this one right here, up here, over here, and there. Okay, so now we have all our screws out and we can take out the screen. So when you take it out, just lay it against the keyboard like this. So now that we've got our screen down, we have to remove this 40-pin connector on the back of the screen. So first peel off the piece of tape and pull the connector straight out. And you can now remove the screen. So now to reinstall your new replacement screen, you're gonna put it back on the keyboard like we did before. And same as before, we put the connector back in the spot. Then just reapply the tape back where you found it. So now that you have the new screen connected, you can put it back on. So just gonna lift it up and fit it back into the notches that you just took it off of. So now once it's on, you can screw it back in. Okay, so now that we got our screen screwed back in, we can put back on this plastic cover. Now you're just gonna line it back up again, and then you can just push it down, snap it back in. Once you have the screen bezel snap back in, you can now put the screws in these two holes. So once you have the screws reinstalled in the bezel, you can now put the plastic covers back over. Alright, so our screen is now replaced, and you can reinstall the battery. And now you can test if it works.